I love you, brother. I love you, brother. Are you a cop? Okay. Holy shit.
My friend. So that big guy is
Alright, who's close to James Crumb? Who's close? Nobody. Michelle, how you feeling? You love Kielbasa, don't you? Michelle, man, all the way from Springfield. Interesting fact about Springfield, it's right there. So you can see it from here. You know, but really. There you go, people. Encourage them. Yeah, go. Go, people. Go, eat. This is why you have a keyboard player in your band. You'd be like, everybody's on break, like doing whatever it is that they do, calling their girl, being like, honey, I love you, I miss you, I wish I was with you. And the keyboard player's like, I'll do the break music. Because keyboard players tend to be single, they're opinionated, you know? Married, but you call and say, I love you, honey, right? I miss you. Look at her. Oh! JLC, Agnes 2. Who's gonna win 2? We got our #1 winner. We need you to see the press, man. We need you to see the Chicopee Register. Holy crap. He just ate 2 kielbasas. 1 kielbasa, 1. Yeah, but 2 halves, right? 2 halves of a kielbasa down this man's throat, people. There's no way I can do that. Oh, we got a man on a second. Oh, that's, is that Mark Anthony? Mark Appening's on a second one? If you guys are just eating 1 kielbasa, I mean, you lost. So you're gonna keep going, that's fine. But we have a winner. I'll do second place if you want to, but, you know, it's your call. I'm sure we can find an apron or maybe the Chick-fil-A cow. We need a Genesee for our winner. We got a Blue Moon. Take it?
You get $20 an hour.
That's so awesome.
Huh? So. This guy didn't even have water. He's got the red right here. Hey, Rowe, you got it, man. TV's go, Dad. Where are we up to?
I'd be like, if you did this, I'm not driving home with you.
All right. James Crumb, everybody won it. James Crumb won the 1 kielbasa. We're going to bring him up on stage. We got Mark Avedon very well into his 2nd kielbasa. We've got one of the guys who can chew that's out, right? What's your name, sir? Earl. Oh, Earl, that's right. Super nice. Earl, that's awesome. You ate a whole one, right? You ate a whole one. Just go with it, dude. A 1.5? You ate 1.5, everybody. I'm just kidding. I'm listening to you.
Wrap it up for him.
Ooh. We need water over here, absolutely. I'm all attitude, but if you ask for it, you'll probably get it, right? Water, beer. Beer. Give me a Tennessee over here. Shane, what are you doing? We had a couple of gentlemen that needed change in order to participate. We've got your change when you're all done. Everybody cheer him on. Cheer him on. Mark Appleton's still going for it. That's a lot of kielbasa. Mark Anthony, how we doing? You gotta work it out. Dan, how we doing? Dan's, I don't know. I'm not kidding. I think you might have this. 1.5. Whew. This is something. Is he gonna win this? How close is he? Oh, he's close. We got maybe less than a half a kielbasa, I'd say. Less than a half a kielbasa. We got.
He's got about 8 inches left. Hey, Mark, how you feeling?
I'm so impressed. I really am. Just for participating. I mean, that's spirit. That's what it takes to do something like this, right? That's what it takes to do something like this. That's awesome. Christine, you're still leaving. Yeah, it's been a long week. So sorry, Michelle. You look like a Christine. I'm so sorry. You call me Jeff all day. You're still leaving. You're gonna finish that, aren't you? Awesome. Awesome. We're gonna get to when you're done. You're gonna get whatever shirt you want. Everybody that participated, when you're done, you go. I can't know what to expect. If we have something your size, you got it. If we don't have it, we'll get it to you. All right? I'm positive.
This guy's below.
3X, 4X, Dan. I'll make a night moo-moo.
But he's not close.
The kielbasa moo-moo. Love to have that this weekend. A little chafed. How about Zap Park letting us have this here, huh? I couldn't understand it all until I did it, and I said, yeah, that's about right. So, they've been tremendous, the city's been tremendous, the mayor's been tremendous, everybody's been awesome. But the real tremendous part of today is Mark Appleton on the last part of his second kielbasa, people. Did I offend the keyboard player? He left. It had like all this mojo, and now we got like nothing, you know? We could do like, give me some drumsticks, we could do like Miami 5-0 or something, you know, do Wipeout or something. See that music, doesn't it make it better? That's why we listen to music, right? Give it up for all the musicians we've had this weekend. We've had a ton of them. A ton of them were played for free to make this happen. And that's an amazing thing from a managerial standpoint. Honestly, we need a beer over here for the big guy. Beer for big, 2 beers for big chiefs. Yeah? They just keep shaking their head as they eat their kielbasa. I can't tell. I can't tell. It looks like this. For those who can't see what's going on, you need a beer? You eating? You gonna make it? You gonna die? That's what they're doing. Dude, killing it. Happening, you got this, big guy. This guy's gonna run. Just for the guys who are like, I don't know if I got a chance, this guy's got it. I mean, I'm gonna keep it a real can. You gotta start shoveling. Just get it in your mouth. Get it in.
It's got like one more bite.
We gotta finish. Did we just finish one right here? We just finished one. That's solid, bro. Steve? Is it Steve? Steve Negron, everybody finished the kielbasa. Can you believe that? Finished. Is that Steve Wojcik?
It's got one more bite.
See, this is why I shouldn't do these things. Steve Wojcik, everybody cheer for him because he actually did it. James Crum won it, everybody. Last fight for Mark Appleton, who's going to win the 2 kielbasa, the $200, and we're going to have a tent made so he can have his own t-shirt, people. Dude, huge. Former Patriots linebacker, Mark Appleton. Did you play for the Pats, sir? Who'd you play for? All right. You play for Chicopee now, my friend. We're going to start a Kielbasa League football team. He's my guy. What tremendous competitors we had today. You guys give it up for all the competitors. They're all getting a t-shirt. They're all getting their names in history. If we can get a picture up with all the competitors right up front here. We got our winner, Mark Appleton, who ate 2 kielbasas on demand by the contestants because what we had up was not good enough. He ate